Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Yes, it's very early, 'cause I'm giving what I'm giving early in the morning. You see these glasses on my head? These are the last pair of glasses I got from the eye doctor. And I was cheap, and I got that bifocal in on these glasses, and it's killing me. And I can't see. I can see with them, but it's a glare of my phone showing in there. So I'm trying not to keep them on because it's terrible. My other glasses didn't have that glare. That's why it's $300-400 when you're getting everything you need on your glasses. So soon I'll have a new pair. Oh my God, this is awful. I gotta be Mr. Magoo. I can't see, and everything is so blurry. But the glasses irritate because of the bifocal. Anyway, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for coming back. Okay, this is terrible. I can see the screen in there. What do I do? Well, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. That is so crazy, though. Thank you for coming back and giving love and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back, look at loose, passing-bys, visitors. Welcome. And trolleys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Hit that notification bell, because you know you don't want to miss nothing. Okay, I do have an online Walmart grocery haul. Things that I'm replacing. Things that I like that we've been eating. Today I'm making some chili from a can of beans, chili beans. And I'm using some of that beef in the can. And then I'm going to season it. Tastes like chili. Cornbread. Some hot, crusty, delicious golden cornbread. With a small thing of rice. Careful with the rice, because rice, that's the start of the diabetes. Too much rice. But on a good foot. That's why I'm here. I'm here to share with you guys my little small online prepper style survival pantry hauling stock up grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoy it. But before I turn around and show you guys that, oh my God, I can't see. Y'all just gotta look at this glare for a second. What I want to talk about? Well, I ain't talking about that, that's for sure, because I don't want to talk about that, but I do. I have no clue how I'm going to situate this. I got to keep my head like this to keep the camera glare out of my glasses. So y'all see me, why your hair like that? Because of the glare in the glasses, so y'all don't be irritated by it. So what's been going on? What's good? What's peaceful? Any good news besides what the preppers talking about? All this dang chaos and devastation. Y'all still prepping food? Are there being any limits put on the food? Oh my goodness, let me tell y'all this. My what is it? The FedEx man came the other day dropping off my package like he usually do. He all masked up and stuff. I'm like, whoa, what? So y'all wearing y'all mask again, huh? Because that monkeypox? He go, no. The whole department. He said one of his departments, they said dang near a lot of people had the COVID. I'm like, what? Okay. Well, I'm glad y'all wearing y'all masks, because I never stopped wearing mine. So, hey. So that's what's going on there. The COVID is spreading. People getting sick again. But people were angry about wearing a mask. So you're gonna be safe or you're gonna be unsafe. So nobody wanna wear the mask. Everybody wanna act like ain't nothing going on no more. So this is what we gotta deal with. I'm not laughing at y'all. I'm laughing at my thing on my head. So yeah. Oh, what if I do like that? Shoot, I really can't see. Dang, I'm like on. That's crazy. But it's not in my. Okay, y'all. This I am so uncomfortable. Hold up. But yeah, so then the Walmart delivery guy, he all masked up. So hey, this stuff's spreading again. Never stops spreading. Now you got the monkeypox, you got the COVID, then you got all this other stuff, crazy stuff going on. Never took off my mask. Y'all, I don't feel comfortable. I don't like what my husband. We went out for lunch, and I know that was a no-no. I must have been out of my mind because I'm in the car doing an exorcist move, got my head going all around spinning, looking for anybody that might come up to the car. That ain't happening no more time soon, because if I'm going to be acting like that, I don't need to be out in the street just trying to enjoy some lunch, and it's very expensive too. And they raised the price. Food was downsized. Things are going on, and then the gas, oh my God, going on $7 again. Some places look like $8. That's what's going on in Southern California. I hope soon they give us our $800 gas checks, because I want that money so I can buy supplies for my crafting channel, gardening channel, and this prepper channel. If for all of you guys who have donated to me by that thing that's on underneath the video where it says thanks and it's a $sign. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, because I can use all those coins. I appreciate it. I love you to death. Thank you for even considering donating to me. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it. I love you for thinking about me and helping me out. That is such a blessing. Thank you for blessing me. And now, you guys, I got to tell you, if you haven't come over, I do have my newly created crafting channel. I'm going to be doing on that channel in a day or so. I'm going to share a crafting haul, or it might be my reindeer brothers characters. I got to do another video and share you guys my reindeer brother characters of the story that I'm writing. It's a book I'm writing. Yeah, so that's what's going on my crafting channel. I'm so excited about the crafting. I'm very excited about the gardening, and also about this channel here, because I love grocery hauls. And if I can get some more people to come through that's like the grocery shop, I'll try, you guys. I don't know why. These people, they see me grocery shop, I see them grocery shop. I make the first move. They don't want to play. They don't want to play checkers. I don't understand it. I come, I say, hey, you do groceries, I do groceries. You come on over here and let's be friends. They don't want to do it. I don't know why. I don't understand. But anyway, that's okay. I'm enjoying the folks that are responding and coming through and supporting. I appreciate y'all. Really, really do. Okay, I need to turn around and get to the grocery haul. But I did want to just share my goings on, what's happening in my area, and more. The gas, the food. Now, lately, I haven't been to the store because of you know what. But, like I said, when we went out trying to eat some lunch, and my head spinning around, looking around, I see somebody. I say, hey, you in camouflage? What you doing dressed like that? Let me get the heck on away from this area right here. So, hey, I don't mess around. I see something suspicious, I'm out of there. I ain't checking out none. I ain't asking why. I ain't got no questions. Hey, I'm gone. I bet some of y'all just want to hang around and see what the heck going on, being nosy, got your camera out, and go get hit by flying whatever being they gonna assault you with. No way, no thank you. I'm out of there. But let me quit rattling on and share with y'all this grocery haul that I got online, because that's why I'm doing online grocery hauling, because of all the stuff going on in this world. That COVID is a mother, because I know the scientists said it affects people in the brain, and a lot of people have been affected in the brain allegedly and doing crazy stuff. Shoot. I ain't got time. I ain't got time for the drama. Leave that for your mama and whoever else want to get involved with that like that type of stuff. I don't. I like to be in this cozy little place I'm in with all all of the essentials that I need to be comfortable. Cable, food, bathroom, bed. Shoot. Making videos, talking to y'all online where it's very safe to do so. Y'all can't get me, I can't get you. Because we doing this online, which is safer. Shoot. Now, I ain't saying, me personally, this is how I'm operating. This is my goings on, carrying on, and what's happening now. Y'all probably different. You out there in the world, you having a ball. But a lot of people getting sick, but hey, you do what you do. Y'all know this thing gonna be flashing all in here. I got this thing on my nose like this. I can't even know what I'm looking at because it's crazy. My busted grill. I'm always bringing it up, but hey, am I worried about it? Not so much. Not so much. If I was in a pursuit or something, heck yeah. But I got to go. I'm gonna show you my grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know why I keep on singing. I guess I'm happy in my spirit. This is the Spirit Booster channel. I love you guys for coming along. I'm silly. Hey, grandbabies, what y'all up to? Just G Mama making another video. Hope you guys enjoy this one when y'all see it in the future. G Mama loves you. G Mama loves you. I love you so. Sound like I'm in the church, huh? But anyway, y'all grandkids, y'all be good. Take care of yourself. Don't do nothing G Mama wouldn't do. But anyway, I got to go. But anyway, before I go, I'm going to turn around and show y'all the haul. Love you, grandkids. Okay, let me show the haul. I almost forgot. You guys, with all that's going on, please don't forget to create a stockpile. Create something to make sure that you are prepared for what else is coming. Make sure you know where your kids at, your family at. Make sure they safe. Make sure you know everything is cool. Don't be all out here wondering and stuff. Make sure you got your T's crossed and your I's dotted. However that stuff go. Take care of you and take care of yours. I don't know why I'm saying all this. Maybe it's a reason. All right. Let me turn around. I got to share this haul. Okay, Spirit Boosters, here is my small online Walmart grocery haul. What did I get today? Lemons, taquitos, chicken that is, like I got last time. They are so good. But like I said, today we having some chili beans, cornbread, golden crusted cornbread with chili beans, spicy. Because when my son told me about, let me see, what is it? And disclaimer, I ain't no doctor, but my son, I've been using that, what is it? Cayenne pepper. It's spicy, but it's not hot to me. And to me, it worked. He said, when your blood pressure, whatever, you feeling crazy, put some of that cayenne. And he was actually talking about take a teaspoon, take some of that cayenne. I said, okay, I'm putting this on my food. And for me, it worked. But disclaimer, I ain't trying to tell nobody, take no cayenne for your blood pressure. That's just something I'm doing. I just wanted to mention it because it's amazing that it worked for me. And that's what I'm putting in my chili beans. That's why I'm bringing it up. But anyway, let me get back to the haul so I can complete this video. Okay, I got lemons, the taquitos, very good. I got a head of lettuce for my salad, and I got my husband some milk. I got 3 cans of Great Northern beans, great value. I have 6 cans of mixed vegetable medley. I love that because the size of the vegetables that are cut in that can, they are perfect for soup, stews, you know, some chicken soup, some beef soup. I love how the vegetables are, some, you know, pot roast. I love those vegetables the way they are cut. So I got me 6 cans of those. And I also collected, to go in my stockpile, 1 can of sliced potatoes. Great value. These potatoes in a can, oh, I never knew. I thought it was gross, but no, it's not. They're good. Sliced potatoes, 1 can. Diced potatoes, 1 can. Can y'all see? And I got the new whole potatoes. Good potatoes in a can. Who knew? And now they talking about it's supposed to be a potato shortage. They say the preppers, when I go and glance and, you know, go through and check out their videos, some say there's gonna be a potato shortage, you know, about wheat shortage, all these shortages coming in a couple of weeks. That's what they saying. So if this happened, okay, then whatever. But right now, I'm buying the potatoes in the can because if it's a fresh potato, well, you know, you can always grow some potatoes. Go buy you some potatoes. I guess you can grow them for the potato you get from the store. Put it in the ground if you got, you know, somewhere to plant potatoes. Or you put them in a bag, a grow bag, or a planter pot. And I've tried that in the flowers on the potato plant are gorgeous. But when they turn yellow and die, they say that's when, oh, the potatoes are ready to harvest. When the flowers die and turn yellow, then your potatoes ready. So if you want potatoes, you can grow you some, because eventually they say the preppers, and these are some big channels, major big channels, saying this stuff, talking about the potatoes, there's gonna be a potato shortage. They supposed to be helping with the milk. I know this thing started dipping because when your hand get tired, I know I'm supposed to have it on the tripod. I'm still not professional. I don't want to be professional. Forget it. If I remember, I remember. But anyway, I just wanted to share this. This way I got in this small haul. And the lemons, I guess I said lemons. I'm about to wash my lemons, put them in the refrigerator, because 1 bag I forgot now. And it's spoiled because I forgot to wash my lemons and put them up. But yeah, I'm going to get ready to make my chili. Hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe. Stay well, healthy. If you wear a mask, wear your mask. How you protect yourself during COVID and this other monk pop? How y'all protecting yourself? Say so in the comments. We want to know. We spirit boosters over here. We share, you know, information, solutions, comments that lift your spirit. All kind of great stuff going on over here. Just share it in the comments, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Love you, love you, love you. Keep supporting. And well, thank you for keep supporting me. I love you. And in the next, see y'all until the next video. Don't forget to check out my gardening and crafting channel. I want to see y'all over there. I love you over there as well as over here. It's spirit boosters over there too, y'all. Bye. Oh, almost forgot. Don't forget the tip. Well, don't forget I gave you the message. And the tips, you know, stay in survival mode. Stay in crisis mode. Stay in last plate mode, uppercut mode. Watch out for Granny and others now. Oh, fair game mode. All the modes. Be safe out there. Stay away from panic mode. But if you can't help it, eat some sweets. That'll probably calm you down. Allegedly. But anyway, y'all, that's it. Just prepare. Stay in the most important mode, in prepper mode. Stay prepared. Get your pantry, storage, food area, supply area ready today. Prepare yourself in whatever means necessary to whatever's gonna come. Bye, y'all.